What is the one question that every project manager, team lead, or freelancer asks when they first look at Asana? It's not, how do I create a task? Or what's a Kanban board? The real question, the one that makes or breaks the decision, is this: how much does Asana actually cost? And let's be honest, it's not always a straightforward answer. You see a few pricing tiers, but what do they really mean for your team? What features are hiding behind that contact sales button? And most importantly, can you get by on the free plan? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Asana's pricing. We're going to break down every single plan, from the free version all the way up to enterprise, so you know exactly what you're paying for and, more importantly, what you're not. No jargon, no fluff, just a clear, comprehensive guide to Asana's cost in 2025. Let's get started. First up, the plan everyone loves to talk about, Asana Personal. This is the free forever plan. It's the one that lets you dip your toes in the water without spending a dime. But what do you actually get? Well, it's surprisingly generous. You get unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and storage. That's a huge win. You can collaborate with up to 10 teammates, which is perfect for small teams, startups, or even a group of freelancers working on a single project. You also get the classic list, board, and calendar views, which are the bread and butter of Asana. So for basic task management, this is a phenomenal option. The big limitation here is the feature set. You won't get advanced features like timeline view, which is a game changer for visualizing project schedules, or custom fields, which are crucial for standardizing your workflows. But for a team that's just starting out and needs a central place to organize their work, the personal plan is an excellent entry point. Now, let's talk about the first paid plan, Asana Starter. This is where things get serious for growing teams. The starter plan costs $10.99 per user per month when billed annually, or $13.49 if you pay monthly. The key here is the minimum seat count. When you buy this plan, you're not just buying one seat. There's a minimum of 2 seats, and subscriptions increase in blocks of 5. So for a small team of 2, you're looking at a yearly cost of about $264. Now, what does that money get you? A lot. The biggest upgrade is the addition of the timeline view, which is essentially a Gantt chart. This lets you see how your project flows over time, identify dependencies, and spot potential bottlenecks. It's a must-have for any project with a deadline. You also get a workflow builder, which lets you automate repetitive tasks. This is huge for saving time. Plus, you get unlimited dashboards, global custom fields, and an admin console to manage your users. The starter plan is the sweet spot for many small to mid-sized teams who have outgrown the free plan and need more powerful tools to manage their projects and improve efficiency. Moving on, we have the Asana Advanced Plan. This is the plan for companies that are managing work across multiple departments and need more robust reporting and resource management. The advanced plan will set you back $24.99 per user per month when billed annually, or $30.49 if you pay monthly. So what's the big difference here? It's all about scale and control. You get everything from the starter plan, but with some game-changing additions. For one, you get access to portfolios, which allow you to manage and monitor a collection of projects in one centralized view. Think of it as a dashboard for all your dashboards. You also unlock the workload feature, which is a lifesaver for resource management. It shows you who on your team is over or under capacity, so you can reassign work and prevent burnout before it happens. You also get more advanced reporting, which gives you deeper insights into your projects and team performance. The advanced plan is for the company that is serious about project management and needs to coordinate complex work across departments with precision. Finally, we have the Asana Enterprise and Enterprise Plus plans. These tiers don't have a publicly listed price. You have to contact their sales team to get a quote. And that's because these plans are tailored to the specific needs of large organizations. We're talking about companies that need top-tier security, advanced compliance, and custom solutions. The Enterprise plan includes things like SAML for single sign-on and advanced security features. The Enterprise Plus plan goes even further with audit logs, data loss prevention, and e-discovery support. If you're in a highly regulated industry or you're a large company with strict security and compliance requirements, this is the plan you'll be looking at. The cost here is highly dependent on your specific needs, the number of users, and the level of support and customization you require. But to give you a rough idea, industry insiders suggest it can be anywhere from $30 to $35 per user per month, and often higher. So, to wrap it all up, Asana's pricing is built to scale with your team. The free personal plan is perfect for individuals or small groups of up to 10 users. The starter plan is for growing teams that need better project visualization and automation. The advanced plan is for larger teams and companies that need to manage portfolios and resources across departments. And the enterprise plans are for huge organizations with specific security and compliance needs. The key takeaway is this: start with the plan that fits your current needs, and don't be afraid to upgrade as your team and projects grow. The features you unlock are often well worth the investment in saved time and increased efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.